Hello everyone. So myself Anusha. So in continuation with this last video, so here we are going to discuss the concept called status using the status window in applets. See, first of all, what is this status window? See, in addition to this displaying information in its window, that means here we are going to display some information in the window. Okay, so in addition to that, here an applet can also output a message to the status window of the browser. Okay, or else to the applet viewer on which it is running. Okay, to do so, we'll be calling the show status method with the string so that we want to display. Here, this status window is, we can say like it is a good place to give the user feedback about what it is occurring in the applet. And also giving the suggest options or else possibly reporting some types of errors. Okay, and also so this status window also makes an excellent debugging aid because it gives an easy way to output information about the applet. Okay, so we are saying that like it will be displaying some information in its window. Okay, so this show status is going to by making use of the string called show status method, so we can able to display some message as an output. Okay, and also not only that one, there is a possibility of reporting some types of errors in the status window. So this is an example which is going to specify this status window where we will be trying to import the packages called applet and this AWT, that is nothing but abstract window toolkit. Okay, and if you observe here, this is the HTML code representation where this it will be displaying the window, no? So that window specifications is going to represent over here. And this is the code is nothing but the class which we are going to define. That means that we are going to create an applet class, no? So that is the class name of that code over here. And this width and height is going to specify the window which we are going to display. So what is the width of that particular window and what will be the height of that particular window? That specifications will be represented over here. Okay, so this is what this HTML code representation of this applet. Next, we are going to define the class called status window and it is going to extend the applet Java class. Okay, and here we are going to initialize the method. Okay, so after initializing this method, so we are getting, so we are setting the background of that particular window as color cyan. And we are going to display message in that applet window called, see, so I'm just trying to make use of the method called paint. And here I'm just trying to draw the string called this is in the applet window of with the specifications 10 and 20. Okay, and we are going to display along with this string, we are intended to show some message in the status window called, so this is shown in the status window. So this is the message I'm passing through that status window. Okay, so if I run that, so we will be getting the output like this one. Okay, so which will be in the cyan color, in the background it is in cyan color, and this is the status window output and this is the general output. Okay, how by making use of a drawstring we are writing that statement, no? This is that statement with the background color and this is the status window message. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the status window in the applet. And coming with the passage of parameters to the applet, see here the parameters are passed to the applet with the specification, same name is equal to value within the angular braces of this parameters. Okay, so this tag between these tags we are going to represent the, or else we are going to pass the parameters. See inside this applet, so we are having an option to read the values which is passed through this parameter tags. So we can make use of the method called get parameter of this applet class to read this values of this parameter tags. Okay, so we are having one method called get parameter. Okay, and we are going to come across with a small example how we are passing some parameters. See, same, I'm making use of a package called applet and awt, and here I'm going to define a class called drawstring applet, and I'm making use of a class called applet class. See, I'm going to define a default message called hello. And then I'm going to specify a method called paint. See, here I'm just specifying the data type. Okay, and then input from page is, so I'm passing a method called get parameter of that message. Okay, if so here I'm specifying the message condition called if input from page is equal to null. Okay, that means after getting this information from this input from page, if it is equivalent to null, in the sense here it is going to display the default message. So what is the default message here? It is nothing but a hello, right? So here we are just specifying a condition. So, and then based on that condition, it is going to read the values which has been specified in the parameters. Okay, so this is how we are passing the parameters in the applet, and this is a very small example which we are going to define this parameter passage in this applet. Okay, thank you.